Hi, everybody. Deborah Morris Home Team, Keller Williams Advantage Realty. The market is definitely changing constantly, both for sellers and buyers. And today I wanted to get another tip from Carmen Prieto from Fairwinds Credit Union. What's going on, Carmen? What do we need to know about?
Hey, Deborah. So I recently had two loans come in for what's called delayed financing. And I think in this market that could be a really valuable tool for your buyers. It basically gives them an opportunity to purchase a house in cash if they have the cash on hand. And then within the 6-month period that would normally be a waiting period, we would be able to go ahead and do a cash out refinance and get them 80% of the appraised value back.
Interesting. So tell me again, you said there's a couple people that have reached out to you, and
Yeah.
what would you say is why they're doing that again?
Well, the sellers want a quick closing, and they don't want to deal with financing, and all the stuff that goes with working with us in the financial world. So basically, they're favoring cash offers. Well, if you have a buyer that had the assets on hand and could make that cash offer, but then really wanted to do financing, if the funds that they paid for that house were theirs to begin with, all from savings, no gift money, to be clear, we could turn around within that 6-month period. They can close on that house and we can start our processing the day after closing with a settlement statement.
So I'm thinking a little bit differently too. Of course, as we all know, the cash offers seem to be accepted on the average more. And of course, Chuck and I are getting all loans approved and buyers under contract.
Yeah.
Yet, in general, the cash buyers do have a lot more weight in this market.
Mhm. They can.
So afterwards, now, what kind of extra costs may be involved? Can you go over the dollar amount? So it's not like you said 80%, and then how about the closing costs? You go over with us again,
Sure.
what they'll be saving and what they can look into actually paying twice.
Yes. So some of the title fees may be charged twice. And it depends on whether or not you did an appraisal, regardless of a cash offer. So if you did an appraisal at the time of purchase, you would still have to do an appraisal with your financial institution because unfortunately, all of us are required to order them ourselves. You could reuse a survey, so you wouldn't have to pay that twice. You would not have to do all of like the transfer fees and everything like that again, which is nice. You paid that upfront, and sometimes the seller pays part of those. And then the other thing is, you'd have a lender fee with basically all of us that would be tagged on there that you wouldn't have paid twice as well.
And of course, I'm thinking future pace. Let's go take that cash and buy an investment property, because right now we have such a shortage of rentals out there. So take that cash, get the that you originally used, go and get the financing, even though it's only at 80%. Take that extra cash and put it into something else. It's a snowball effect. So again, if
Yep.
we can help you at all, Carmen's here. Carmen, how do they reach you again?
You can reach me at 407-637-6442 or via email at cprieto, that's Prieto, at fairwinds.org.
Wonderful. And of course, Chuck and I are always here to go over options for you and your family so you can make the right decision for you at 321-348-0014. Thank you so much. And we look
You're
forward to seeing
welcome.
you again. Bye.
Sounds good. Bye.